Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Now in this video we'll see how we can update like the valid timestamp table. So what I mean by that is, if you have seen the last video, we have particularly focused on this particular table, and if you go to this property of this table, you see here the valid timestamp type is UTC date and time. Now if you'll try to update something in this table by your conventional method, you will not able to do. So in this video we are specifically going to see how we can update this particular table. Like let's say if you want to update something, so how we can do that. So for now let me go to the table browser first. I'll go to table browser. Okay, here let us assume if you want to correct this street. So if you see here we have the Sagar street, right? Let's say if you want to add Sagar street new, something like that, how you can do this using code. So what I will do, I will remove this older code that we have used in the last video. And now the first thing is that I need to focus on my this logistics postal address table. Logistics postal address table. And now first thing is that I need buffer of my record. So for now what I will do, I will simply hardcode my buffer. I will simply go here and I can copy my rec ID. So this is the rec ID. I will copy this. Let me ensure it is correctly copied, else everything will go wrong here. Let me put it here. And now what I will do, I will use the find method. Logistics postal address dot. So we have this find rec ID method. Here I will pass my this rec ID. Okay, and here I can say that update should be true. Alright. Once this is done, I can remove this because I really don't need this. So I have already selected this record for update. Now I can do update in my field. For example, so I can say logistics postal address dot the field name. So I want to update my street field. I'll write here street. So I can say this as new Sagar street. I will close this. Now the important thing here is I need to use this valid time state update mode method. Here I will use valid time state update. Here I will use correction, and then finally I will do update here. As I'm doing the changes in transactions, so I can apply TTS begin and commit here. TTS commit here. Alright, now I can build this code. So what we are doing, we will simply where is our street field. So we are simply trying to update this field. We'll say new Sagar street. Why we are doing is because we want to see how we can update the valid timestamp table. That's why we are doing this. So I've triggered the build and I will come back when my build will be completed. So my build is completed. I simply run my runable class, and here if I will browse to my table, if I scroll towards my street field, so you can see a new is coming. So let me reiterate what we did. We simply want to update this table. we'll need to use this ValidTimeState update mode as correction. The reason is because this is a time state table. That's why we need to use this one. This is how we can update this type of tables. Thanks for watching this video.